Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, Project Honda is unfortunately coming apart. Yeah guys, if you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe, and you know, as always, come along for the ride. Let's go. Alright Dad, what do you think you did wrong?
Fuck you.
Moments later.
What happened?
Found by prob, the harmonic balancer touching against the body of the motor. Ain't nothing to start a crank. Fucking crank pulley.
And it moves now! I guess that was the problem. Shout out to Whitey right here.
Taking the whole car apart.
Gotta say.
Fucking hate this car. Look at the car. The car's all taken apart.
Alright guys, let's get this bitch started now. So while you building a Honda?
Trying. Let's find out if it runs first. Trying.
Huh?
No.
Try to start it.
I spy a broken car that won't start.
Damn! What the fuck? Hey guys, so I guess we do have to change the jumper harness. So I'm gonna order one online and it's gonna take probably about a week. So until next time, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, see ya.